kind of wasn't prepared to start, but we're starting.
Are you ever? I'm sorry.
No.
You know, I didn't mean to make that joke. I mean, I did, but I wish I hadn't. I don't wish I hadn't not made it.
Well, I don't know what to say.
It's Thanksgiving and I'm thankful.
I'm really freaking thankful for you.
Man.
Dude, bro. It is Thanksgiving.
It is.
And you
well,
know,
it's almost.
Listen, here, can I be truthful, transparent? Can I let the world in on a
don't
little
know.
bit of the labyrinth that is my palate?
A labyrinth. We have never quoted labyrinth.
With the baby and the power.
Power of voodoo. You do. My name is the baby.
I saw my baby crying hard as babes could cry. What could I do? My big bro introduced me to the labyrinth. It's a good one. David Bowie. Speaking of David Bowie, Thanksgiving. Listen, I don't just love Thanksgiving turkey. I do love stuffing. And I don't love a lot of sides. And so today we're gonna kind of just throw together a concoction.
You have no idea what we're doing, do you?
Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Today is a Thanksgiving maple sausage.
Oh, the old maple sausage.
Maple sausage, sweet potato hash.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah.
Want to try it again, or is that good?
Now let's do it one more time. Maple sausage, sweet potato hash.
Nailed it.
Yes. Yes, I did.
And shall we?
We shall. Let the games begin.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
Ready to jump in? Look, here we go. We're gonna get started. We're gonna start with our sausage. It's going to take the longest, or maybe not even the longest, but it's definitely the first step in our process.
Well, more importantly, I'm sorry. Can I?
No, I know we're gonna be cooking. I know we're gonna cook the stuff in the sausage
we're gonna
fat.
cook the sausage first, so we can render.
Render out its fat, so we can cook the potatoes and the onions and the celery in said sausage fat.
Yeah. So can we just?
36-inch. It's over here. It has been preheating. We are going to be using this and cooking on one side, while our other is going to be turned off and set on a cool setting.
The non-Toven zone.
The non-Toven zone.
So wait, so this is the Toven zone.
We are in the Toven zone over here. I'm going to do this medium high heat.
Like your style.
Okay, thank you. I've always thought I had decent style.
I wasn't talking to you.
There is another.
I was talking to Ethan.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I've got a knife and a hat. Which one do you want?
Who?
The beat. The beat. Don't move. We've got a serious. Cut!
Get it?
I got him. Dude. He's in there. Oh, he's in there. Small price
He's still
to pay.
alive.
Price is wrong.
The price is wrong.
You really did jump. So we're going to. There's really no elegant way about doing this. So I'm gonna slice off.
Yeah, where I can't see. I don't know what you're doing. That's a weird way to cut it.
Was it?
No.
No, it wasn't. Now there's no glorious way of doing it. We don't need all of this sausage, so we're going to be using about half-ish.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there we go. I'm gonna set that down.
I really love this maple sausage. It feels very much like Thanksgiving to me, has its fall flavors. But you could use any sausage that you wanted. You don't necessarily. Wow.
Well.
Almost as good as your smash burger technique.
Oh, dude, why you gotta bring it up?
Go quick. Go quick. Yeah.
Oh. I'm trying to get a lot of surface area down to allow it to cook for a second.
Okay.
And then I will start Kung Fu fighting. Everybody was Kung Fu fighting. We're actually gonna just let that kind of hang out for a second. I guess we just ring the bell.
Yeah. Dang.
That was good. Dang. The reason I flatten it out first is to allow it to cook a little bit and then start the chopping process. That's just a personal preference.
Surface area is your friend.
Time out on audio speaking.
I thought it was Christmas music, but it turns out it was Green Acres.
Yes, it was.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Okay. It was inadvertent filtering. I mean, what are you gonna do, right?
So we want to go slow on this to get as much fat out of there as possible. Oh, move it over. Let me see that fat. Oh, yeah. Things you can't say to your wife that you can say to your food. I think we might be good at this point. We don't want to overcook
it because it's still gonna cook a little bit with the other ingredients. So why don't we go ahead and just slide this out of the way?
Over to the non-Tobin zone.
Tobin zone.
So these are completely off.
Yeah, and so we are gonna leave what sausage fat that we do have over there, and that's gonna give us some flavor with our other ingredients. Speaking of other ingredients,
Talk about them taters.
let's talk about them. Hey, do you want to tell me about the starch content of both sweet and red?
I don't know. You're gonna make fun of me?
Probably.
I
So we've
always-
got
yeah,
we've
I
got
always
our
say
red
it's bad,
potatoes.
hang on.
Hey,
I was trying
I
to
say-
Hey,
No, no,
do I
you.
interrupt
What?
you too much?
You do
Or am I
often.
always interrupting?
You're
like
always.
as soon as you
you're
start
always
talking.
It's
Interrupting.
we,
You thought I was gonna do it, and I didn't.
we've got our diced red
I'm
potatoes,
thankful for you.
and then we've got our diced sweet potatoes.
Yeah, you wouldn't want. So you don't want to use a russet or a chef's potato for this. The lower starch content in the red potatoes holds up a little bit nicer, and we want it to be a hash and not a mash.
Well, there you go. That is a great way to explain it.
All right.
We've also got some diced up yellow onion and some celery.
Celery. Yeah, well,
I'm gonna move around some of the sausage fat
yeah,
and some of that oil, but
we
we're
didn't
gonna
get
we're
quite
gonna
as
need
much fat
as we were hoping. So how about we go ahead and add some oil
and butter
and some butter.
and some butter.
Mm-mm.
Is that salted or unsalted butter you guys?
I intentionally swapped out
No,
your
you
unsalted
didn't.
butter
No, you
for
didn't.
salted butter, so the rest of humanity would be happy, like I get happy with salted butter. All right, so we're gonna throw that together, and let's just start incorporating those ingredients. Actually, before I even get too aggressive, I'm gonna add some salt and pepper.
I like it. Oh, do you want to spice it up a bit?
Maybe a Blackstone seasoning
Perhaps the chicken and herb?
to go with our hash. Okay, so we got some salt, some coarse ground pepper,
Love the coarse pepper.
and chicken and herb.
Let me see that.
There
Oh.
it is, right there,
There
direct
you go.
from the lamp. Thank you.
Right here, direct from the lamp, right here for your very much wish fulfillment.
Yep.
Yeah, this has a great flavor. It's gonna go really, really well.
Oh, wow. You smell it right when it hit the butter? Yeah, buddy. Heck to the yeah.
All right, so let's get this all tossed around and incorporated. I want that butter and olive oil on all pieces of said ingredients. Gonna let that sit.
Yeah, give it some surface area. We want a little crust.
Yes,
A little
sir.
caramelization.
Okay. You want
Why are we
want
going
to
all
dome
country
this?
all of a sudden?
I don't know, man. It was weird.
Let's crisp it up for like 5 minutes.
And then we'll dome it.
We'll have a ring and a drink.
I was
tried
gonna say maybe we play a fun card game to help pass the time.
3 words, 1 syllable. Oh, first word. Me. Oh, you are such a jerk.
So it's been 3 or 4 minutes. I'm thinking we've got some nice crust going on our mix here. Let's have a look-see.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, we're starting to get that color.
Bit of caramelization.
Yes. Yes, that's good.
Looking like a hash.
Like a house. Like a house? It's a house. Ethan, what do you think about this house?
That was a clever one. That was really funny.
Dude, I've got the giggly bits today, man.
Yeah.
Got one more seasoning we're gonna add, and then how about we dome this so we can start softening up those potatoes.
Potatoes are gonna need a second.
Here we go, my friend. Sage. Sage. We're gonna add some of this. This is a
Oh,
fun,
the fall
this
flavor
makes
classic.
this makes me think of fall and Christmas and all things family. So we're gonna add.
It's just a rich, savory ingredient. A really fantastic flavor.
Okay.
I mean, if there was a Thanksgiving flavor, I feel like
Sage might
would
be
have
it.
to be on the top of that list.
Okay. Let me
Oh,
just-
it smells so good.
oh yeah.
It smells
So good.
cozy,
It does smell cozy.
right?
Like a nice fire, and a blanket, and a good book. A good book.
A good book. Where are you going?
I'm looking for.
Well, you need.
Why don't you clean your domes, guy? Let's do this. So we're gonna add. Is this broth or stock?
That is stock, and you know the difference now.
There is a difference.
There is.
I couldn't tell you what it is right off the
Yeah,
bat.
come on, you know it. There's one key difference. Beauty, look at that. Oh, you're losing out the back. Get the dome.
I'm going. I'm bringing it back. I'm bringing it back.
There we go. Let those potatoes cook. Come on, you know the difference. Stock and broth.
One has carcass, one doesn't.
Yeah,
the
but
word
why do you gotta
carcass.
say it like that?
Because you said it in the video. You mentioned
That's
the word
what you
carcass.
remember?
That's
what
the
you.
whole,
That's what you remember.
That's what I remembered.
You
Because it's
remember
gross.
You remember your mother, Peter?
There you are.
Yeah.
I've lost my marbles.
Cheers, buddy. Here we go, Mon Ferrer.
Wow.
What do you think about that?
What you think about that?
Can you deal with that?
Can you
Dude,
deal with that?
Can
Yeah.
you deal with that? Can you deal with that? I think we need to add a little bit more moisture right before we start incorporating our final ingredients.
Yeah, the nice thing about adding the stock kind of in batches like that is it reduces, it almost creates like a glaze or a sauce.
And it
Which is
like,
nice.
and it just has time to, and it soaks up into the
Oh, yeah.
potatoes, especially, right? So that's just gonna be yum. All right, I think we're ready for our sausage, dude.
That's sausage.
Bring her back in. There we go. There we go.
Oh, don't forget about your cranberries.
Oh, hey-oh, hey-oh, hey-oh.
You want to
hey-oh.
introduce a little bit of sweetness. It
Yeah.
actually makes the savory a lot nicer, but you totally want to wait till the end.
Yeah, I mean, you don't. I mean, these are a certain kind of consistency that you want to keep
Yeah.
within it. You don't want this to turn into like
Here, show me
slushy,
that, yeah.
slushy mush,
Well,
right?
you also don't want the sugars to burn. Do you like sugar?
I do like sugar.
Yeah.
Is there sugar in maple syrup?
Yes.
Because I have some.
Then yeah.
You like sugar, huh?
Is there sugar in syrup?
Yes.
Then yes.
Yes. We're gonna add this as well at the very end to give that a nice sheen. Let's put some.
You know, we talk about playing on flavors. Adding sweetness just for the sake of
Look at
adding
that.
sweetness doesn't make a ton of sense. But when you add sweetness to something so savory, it makes the savory taste more savory.
Savory.
It
The
makes
schnozberries
the
taste like schnozberries.
The snozberries taste like snozberries.
Okay, let me add a little bit of this maple syrup, dude.
Oh, get it.
Hey, this one's for Todd. You
Come
guys
with
know,
me.
Todd drinks this straight.
That's not a euphemism.
Like, straight. I've got the video evidence to prove it.
Roll the tape!
Roll the tape! Oh my
Oh
God!
yeah, keep on going.
Oh my... Todd, that's enough, dude.
No,
That's
keep
enough.
going.
Oh my goodness. I want to drink it. Okay, in honor of Todd, here we go, Mon Ferrer. Nothing but the best.
Oh dang.
And I don't want to add too much of that.
No, we don't want it to burn. We just want to add that touch of sweetness to brighten up the savory flavor.
And it's going to get a little thick.
A little
Kinda
glazy.
A little glazy as it heats up.
Dude, it smells like Thanksgiving right now.
Bro, this is a seriously Thanksgiving side dish. Look at that. How about we plate this bad boy
Oh,
up? We've got this nice dish here. Whoa. Make sure there's no bee
No
residue.
bee.
And honestly, we're just going to grab this and drop it in, bro.
Oh, yeah.
What you think about
I mean,
that?
it's Thanksgiving. Family style is the name of the game.
Oh, yes.
Oh, so
Yes, sir.
stunning.
A little bit more. Here we
It
go.
seriously smells like Thanksgiving. Sweet potatoes, maple, cranberry, sage. It's just glorious.
All right, let's take this over to the cutting board. So we're gonna do a little bit of post-dusting with our chicken and herb.
That chicken and herb is kind of understated. Like, it's really understated? I mean, underrated.
Underrated?
Yeah.
Dude, look
It's
at that.
fantastic.
That is gorgeous, man.
And the little dried herbs in that are really fantastic
smell
as a
it.
last. A last
Ethan, do you smell
stage.
that? Mm-hmm. Does that smell good?
Yeah.
Good answer. Dude, how simple and easy was that?
It was awesome.
That was probably the easiest recipe that
And
I think
fast.
I've ever done. Can we just try
I don't
this
know.
now and call it a day, my
Mind your
friend?
business.
Hey, we've got forks.
Okay.
Hey, okay.
I want some Urtane.
Get it all. Dude, the post-dusting I think is key.
Oh.
So I'm gonna get in. We're gonna grab, oh yeah, I think I've got everything on there. All right?
No.
What's your
Bro.
consensus?
Tastes like Thanksgiving. Smells like Thanksgiving. Tastes like Thanksgiving.
Here's the thing. That's freaking awesome. It kind of tastes like a stuffing.
Yeah, it's like a pseudo stuff.
Mm-hmm. Pseudo stuff.
If you wanted to add like croutons, like crusty, delicious
Oh, yeah.
toasted bread,
And do
mix
that
it at
while
the
it's
end,
on the griddle. It soaks up the chicken broth.
it would work.
That would be amazing. Either way, this is a winner. Winner.
Sweet potato
Sweet
dinner.
potato smash dinner.
Side dish.
Guys,
Doesn't
okay,
matter.
it was that simple. It
Yeah.
was that fun. Gotta try this recipe out. It is super fast and really crazy delicious. Really does smell like Thanksgiving. You are gonna thank me later when you
delish.
make this. Go check out teespring.com. We've got some fun swag and some shirts and hats, and I've got stickers. I haven't mentioned that lately. You guys should go buy my stickers because they're cool. And Nate,
Yeah.
what do we do on the shoot?
We cook.
And we quote. Mon frères, there it is. Giving you the ding. Happy Thanksgiving from my family to yours. Shalom.
So come on, everyone, it's today's first.